Power up your website with Paymattic, the ultimate WordPress payment solution. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Paymattic. Just like any other plugin, there are a couple of ways of installing it. Go to the plugin section from your WordPress dashboard and hit Add New Plugin. Now in the search box, type in Paymattic. Now it won't take long to get here. Once it's here, press Install. It might take some time depending on your connection, but sit tight, it's not gonna take a while. And as I have said, it's now installed, just hit Activate and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can upload the Paymattic zip file here, which you will get for free from the WordPress plugin repository. Now once you're in this page, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description. Make sure to check it out. Once it's here, hit Download. And before long, it's downloaded. Now all you have to do is get back to the plugin section and hit Upload. Now here, choose your file or drag and drop it. The choice is yours. But I'm not obviously gonna do that as I've already installed Paymattic in my WordPress site. Check transactions, revenue, and connect integrations. That's Paymattic, your ultimate WordPress solution to simplify transactions, maximize revenue, and boost your donation process.